Hey, you forgot something. Yes. I think this is your captain over here. Over there. Yeah, you were walking. Good afternoon. This is the first time we are seeing a fantasy cartoon in colour. And now, here's the hand himself. It is... Greetings, my fellow friends. Mine is the hand, that's right. From last year, I remember how I seen us. But now it's my first colour appearance. Here's my first colour appearance of myself. I hope you all stay nice. It's such a lovely day today. During this lovely standard time zone, well, you know, what's think about getting chilly out there? Well, understand. We shall go for today. Yes, that's right. We're going to the hill today. And I'm meeting someone right now with these cats and dogs like we will do. How hard is it, young man? Sure thing looks really good this Monday. It's a good Monday, we can't believe it. Yeah, and on a Tuesday, however, we shall think what's going on Tuesday. Yes, it's a good day. Because it is a Monday today. Hey, look at that beautiful sunshine. Does it look gorgeous? Yes, it looks really gorgeous out there, the hot weather. And what they're doing over there. Oh boy. Well, since you won't, didn't I? Weren't you, lad? And yeah. Well, you always know what's good to be. To go on like this to see us all over the ground Saturday. Yes. It's a lovely walk today. We're off to the Daily Fogs now, didn't you? Yeah, off to Daily Fogs. How hard can you start this weekend? Yes, sure, I hope. Surprise. What do you think to talk about, eh? Well, we're going to cut the scene now until we get the crossing to get the trains, isn't it, lad? Have you seen this thing? I mean, look, even a mess, wasn't it, lad? To be all with you. To be backed out all the way with it? No. That's a bit real trick, isn't it, lad? So what's this one? He walks like he's taking a walk. Look at that cat. Does he walk sweet as a cat? He does walk sweet as a cat. Don't you think that's a beautiful cat? Well, the woman who brought the cat to life, like in a woman's fair, wasn't it, lad? I shall have believed yourself, right? That's a beautiful cat. Huh. That's so cool. Cool. Magic believed. Your eyes is on there. Well, we shall now cut the scene till we get to the train, of course. Obviously getting this way now. Thank you. Where do you think you should go? This way. And there's such a lovely bus. It's a great bus, isn't it? We shall go this way, isn't it, lad? I shall think it is, yeah. You're right. Looks like we're going to stop and wait for the trains in a minute. You think? You reckon? Yes. Because there's a crossing here, lad. You can see it in the side things, lad. So we backed out all the way. Got to go here. Well, have you seen? If we have wings, would you be able to go near the crossing or not? Sorry? If we have wings, if you mind to go without the crossing, you can do that, won't you? Wait, what? Yeah, you can't do that at all. You need to just get to the crossing first, and you might need to really know you don't realise. Wait a minute. Did you got wings last year if we fly over the crossing? Yeah, well, I know. In that original vlog video I did, remember? Yes, I did. Well, that was about last year, wasn't it? If I have some wings, what will I supply? Wings in there. What will I supply? Wings? Yeah, you see that your points already on there. It's real big, ain't it, lads? Ain't it, lads, ain't it? Yes. Have I seen these videos on YouTube before going outside to see these cores of societies? Got to see it on the web? Yes. Thank you. Right. Now, where's the train? Oh, where should I start go shopping for? Okay. He's going shopping, and now I'm off to see the... Oh my goodness, look at this! That's a mess! Oh, the fence was taken away. Oh, yeah? And I must be off. Wait. Oh, I know. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? The scene's odd in there this way. Do you want to tell what it is this way? Let's see what it is this way. I guess what it is, it's the Little Junction. I never heard of the Little Junction in there before, but I've never seen this before. This is because I've never seen this before, but we just went there already. But, not went there, but we haven't went there before. But I never seem to be at last, isn't it? Yeah. Whoa! That was loud. Thanks, lad boy. Okie dokie. Now, we shall meet some friends here. What I just say to you. Mr. Boy? Yes? Do you think you should go this way? Yes. Please. Okay. Just watch for the crossing. We'll be ready for the train in no time. Yes. Okay, dokie. I would have thought this in my life. To be backed out in there like many corners in society around here. Yes, I know how you thought these people were there. When you? Can you please enough? I'm trying to talk. Sorry. But as you should be had to be thinking about it. But what it says, new road layout ahead. Oh well. I guess there's a busy road. Hey, look at all this from last year. Excuse me. Hey, Ridgerington looks the same from last year, isn't it, lads? You know these people? You know these people out there watching this? Oh, yes. Thank you very much indeed. Oh boy. That sounds chaotic. Isn't it, lads? That looks weird, isn't it, lads? Well, I guess I'll be heading out in a hurry, alright. Is there any trains here? Sorry? Is there any trains out there? No, there's no trains out there today. Wait. Wait, there's a cat. Where's he going? Well, I think he's going that way. For a cat to go that way. Look at this cat going this way. The way I go, away I walk. Something good this year. Anything can be popular than of us. I walks the scene that all those houses almost look finished now. Oh wait, it does almost look nearly finished. Well, it could take some time here, wasn't it, lads? I won't believe it. It's to be too late to be backed out here. Wait. Where's the train? Train's not coming yet. Well, the way that you walk, the way that you eye, the way I know I see. So when you know I wait to walk to you, somewhere you. Is it September? Is it September yet? Oh, is it not yet? Oh, it's the last week today, is it?
Last week and then Monday, 31st.
Oh yeah, last Monday, right? Oh, bath. Bath for what? Oh wait, that means the creator needs to get cleaned.
Right?
I can't see the train that much. Wow. So yeah. A lot of these little mites I've been seeing in my life for several ages. Because I have many popular supplies around here. Oh, there's some cars too. Hey, they look too old. They look a bit too old actually. Look at these cars, look at these. Look at all these. There's a dog. He's in the fence. He can't get out. Yeah, he can't get out. There's a helicopter.
Another ambulance.
Oh. Oh, okay then. Alright then. Ford Fiesta. Vauxhall Corsa. That's a new 75 SYV. That's a Countryman. Oh, it's not. Yes, it's a country. No, that's a Frontier. Oh, okay then. It's a Vauxhall Frontier DY26 RAU. Oh boy, if it's an only R. Wow, beautiful house. Look at all this beautiful house I see before. Oh, they're getting a new conservatory with it. Oh, I think they will get a new conservatory too. Okay then. I shouldn't have asked them. Wait, this side's facing this way. So that's one way in, one way out, isn't it? The house's roof already got fixed already, isn't it? Yeah, my fix got a new look. And so, lots of dogs out there right now, yeah. We got opportunity then. All of these twice as all around here is now in here. We've got a Subaru Forester C19OSE. We've got another one of those things. Oh, that looks good.
Train.
Train. There's a train. Hello. You can see the train now, aren't we, lad? We just got something in here, isn't it, lad? It's a lovely day today, isn't it? How lovely. How can this get me? Ooh. What else you can see up there today, isn't it, lad? Up there, look. Over there. Where? Where? Over there. What is cat? Well, go on this. Hey, there's a cat. What's he doing? Well, I can really notice what we were going to see. Well, what do you think? Expect us. Hey, look, it's the deer protection season coming up. The new 2026 season, eh? Yes, sir. It's possibly a brand new popularized season this year. Oh, wow. Of a new exciting adventure, I really don't look exciting. We don't look exciting, are we, lads? You see from the close-up? Oh, now I see. The train was coming. Hey, look, it's a dog. was all a mess.
Fine. Everything's fine.
Oh well. Oh, where's that cat? Where is he? Oh wait, he's going with a dog. What time is it? Oh wait, it's 1:21. What was that? It was just a cat. Sorry? It was just a cat. Where is he? Over there. Okay then. Oh, is that a train? Yeah. Your cat? It's just gone. It's chasing the dogs. Right. I'll go get him. Come on, let's catch. Cat. Another train. Oh. Another Transpennoi. No, Lumo. Where do you think he's gone to? Well, soon we'll be dead. Nothing like a big peace and quiet out there, wasn't it? But all this blaze in the sky. Oh boy. Well, let's wait and see. Which way is it going? That way or that way? Do you spot that cat? Yes, I did. Now, where's that train gone? Oh, don't know. Maybe that way. That way. I think it's there. There it is. Wow. That's basically how big it is, isn't it? LDR. Come through. Don't tell the barriers are going up again. Wait, it's another train coming. No, another train coming. That's good. Wow. Where's the train gone? I think it's coming that way.
You walk like that way?
No. I think here comes Dad. Look. What was the camera pointing it for? I think it's just to get another train. Another train coming. Oh, I think they're up to now, isn't it? What are you looking at? Where's the cat? They get the cat now. Land safely? Yes. Wow, look at the cat, guys. Look at all that been found. And now, the note to Will. Well, what do you think of this? What's in there? There's a sock. Oh no. They're on the floor. Wow, looks like everybody's in traffic, isn't it? Oh, there it is. Guys, there it is. Off we go again. Wait, another one is coming. Hey, another one! Again? And the barrier's gone up now, and wait! There it goes again. Oh no. The cat's walking slowly, slowly, slowly. I'll get you up. I thought we did actually. Well, it's time to go now. Until next time, cheerio. And that's the end of this short. Anyways, if you're very interested, now we shall say thank you for watching this vlog video, and we will see you again tomorrow. Until then, goodbye.